Hi, Carol Rivet here. I am so excited to be doing this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as always, if this helps, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you have any questions. If you have any comments about Leadsleap, this video is going to be about how can Leadsleap make money for you in 2024 and beyond? Well beyond. Well, this is just for an example, one of the capture pages that you can set up with Leadsleap. Now you can set this up yourself. I have complete training on it, on how to do it if you'd like that, or you can simply get the share code from me on how to do this. I have this with my system with a 7 to 8 month email series. And what's great about this is it's how to generate daily income with your phone. Discover the top 4 money-making programs that work using only your smartphone. Now, the secret to this is most of the programs nowadays work with your cell phone, with your smartphone, because I think it's somewhere around 80% of the people online are online with their phones. Okay, so that's really cool. And this is such a beautiful, Leadsleap is just such a beautiful website. See, here's another one that you can do. Get paid to buy traffic, free video reveals, new method, how to earn 1K per day. Now, be careful when you start saying this. Make sure you have something that, a good program that can back that up. Okay, now remember, MLM, network marketing, all of these companies take time to grow. Okay, so it takes work and it takes effort, and it's a numbers. You keep promoting and keep advertising. Advertising is the name of the game. You got to do it every single day, and these are just some of the things you can do with Leadsleap. Okay, they enter their name and their email, and they have the information come to them. Here's another one, 4 top money makers. No experience needed. Pick which one works for you. Training and support provided. Okay, and there's the other one. And here's one of the sales pages that I've been in this company for a while. So, but with these sales pages, what's so great about them is you can change this to be whatever you want. Okay, and here's some traffic resources that I'm in that works really good for me. The email series that is really good. Okay, and let's see. This one is the one that goes with the money makers, the 4 top money makers. The other one, this one, goes more with for GDI and for Live Good, for automatic sales. I have a number of capture pages for this one too. Okay, and this one is I'm really excited because I just set this one up. Here are the 4 systems that are working, and look at this. What's wonderful with this is you can put anything you want in here, okay? And then you have a bonus that when somebody signs up and joins any one of these programs, and as an upgraded member, they upgrade, then they get the whole funnel system for free. That means 8 months of an email series. And this says again, if you don't want to join any of these programs, that's fine. Just click there and go to this page, and you can get the exact funnel system, this whole system, without having to do anything. Okay, with training and share codes, and you can get the exact marketing system, 5 capture pages, 2 sales pages in case you want to turn them. And I'll throw in more capture pages if you want to go along with the Leadsleap and the GDI. Professionally written 7-month email series. It's more like 8-month, and that email series is worth $80 alone. Okay, then marketing system, this page right here to talk you through what you're getting, and video training to get you set up and running really quickly. Okay, so this is, and then you have bonus traffic that you can put on here on the back end, and then you can resell this. You can put whatever price you want on that. And these are some of the capture pages. There's 5 capture pages altogether. This is a different one. Okay, but what's great about the video, or the videos, not the videos, the email series, is that the email series is generic. The 7 to 8 month email series is generic, and it works for anything. So it will work for this too. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. This is how Leadsleap can make you money. Because one of the programs, where am I? Right here. One of the programs here is Leadsleap. Okay, so this is going to help you get Leadsleap upgraded members. Now you can join Leadsleap for free, but why would you want to stop at free? Because you get to use the free members only can add a welcome email to the autoresponder. Okay, that is in Leadsleap. If you become a pro upgraded member, which is $27, I believe, a month, you can use the whole 7 to 8 month email series. You do have, it's easy with share codes. I send all the training to you on how to do it. It's very easy and very profitable. Leadsleap is a great company. They share 50%. You earn 50% commissions on everyone you directly refer into the company. This is not an MLM. You do not earn for levels down below. It's just the people that you directly bring in. Okay? And then, you can bring in, your other programs. You can put anything in here. Okay? So this is one of the ways that Leadsleap can make money for you. There's beautiful, beautiful capture pages. They really are. And the email series. And so, yeah. So come along on board and get the training and get set up and get all your programs added in here. You can either just totally just get the system yourself. You can buy it, or you can upgrade in one of these right here and then get the system for free. Okay, so that's great. Have a great holiday, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year, and happy 2024. May it be a prosperous year for you. God bless.